Lenovo just dropped a game-changing accessory for your Legion Go handhelds, and it's smarter than you think. Meet the Lenovo Legion Go 65-watt 12,800 mAh power bank. Not just any power bank, it magnetically attaches to your device and comes with a built-in kickstand. Perfect for the Legion Go S, which doesn't have a native stand. Setup is effortless. Stick the magnetic plate on your handheld, snap the power bank in place, and instantly turn your device into a hands-free gaming setup. The integrated kickstand keeps your screen upright, freeing your hands for long sessions with external controllers like the 8BitDo Ultimate 2 Wireless. Under the hood, it's a powerhouse. 12,800 mAh capacity, 65-watt output, and 45-watt input mean your Legion Go stays powered longer than ever. With a detachable USB-C cable and 4 LED indicators, you always know how much juice is left. And of course, it's packed with overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating protection. Safe, reliable, and fast. Whether you're on the go, at a cafe, or having a marathon gaming session at home, the Lenovo Legion Go power bank keeps you in the action. No more awkward hand-holding or worrying about finding an outlet mid-battle. Stand it up, connect a controller, and game comfortably for hours. And the best part? All this comes at just $79.99, available exclusively from Lenovo. A small price for uninterrupted gaming and ultimate convenience, especially if you own a Legion Go S. So if you want more playtime, hands-free gaming, and a sleek magnetic setup, the Lenovo Legion Go 65-watt 12,800 mAh power bank is the upgrade your handheld has been waiting for.